Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok username without waiting 7 days. Now normally, TikTok only lets you change your username once every 7 days. But there's a workaround you can try. Let's go step by step. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on Help Center. From here, tap on Account, then select Editing Profile. Next, tap on Updating Username. Scroll down and tap on Need More Help. This will open a support request form. Now, choose Account as the category. In the message box, write a short explanation of why you need to change your username early. For example, you can say, "I accidentally used the wrong username," or "My username includes personal information," or "It's affecting my brand or business." Once you've written your request, tap Submit. Now all you have to do is wait for TikTok support to respond. If they approve your request, you'll be able to change your username before the 7-day limit. Just keep in mind, this isn't guaranteed, but it works in many cases. And that's it.